Hey guys and gals, if you want your vehicle, no matter what it is you drive, to last a really long time, you must watch this quick video. Today we're going to go over something that's surprisingly easy: checking your engine oil. Open the door to the driver's side of your vehicle, look inside the footwell and find your hood release. Sometimes they're over here in the kick panel. In this case, it's right here under the steering column. Prop up the hood. As you might have seen in our other videos, this particular truck has over 250,000 miles on it. We didn't buy it new, but how did it last so long? One of the key reasons is checking regularly and changing your engine oil. Probably the #1 maintenance related factor in how long your vehicle lasts. First thing in the morning is a great time to check the oil in your vehicle. Be sure your vehicle is sitting as close to absolutely level as possible. It's important to be sure the engine's been off for at least 10 minutes. That's to make sure all the oil has drained down from the top end of the engine into the oil pan, so you can get an accurate reading on the dipstick. Now, in any vehicle made in the last few decades, you're probably going to be looking for a yellow handle on the end of the dipstick. That won't apply to really old cars. This is probably the #1 most neglected maintenance item on any vehicle. It doesn't take long to check, but a lot of people are afraid of all the components underneath the hood. Here's what you got to do. Take a paper towel or a napkin. Going to remove the dipstick, and with the rag in hand, going to wipe it off. Reinsert the dipstick into the dipstick tube. Pull it back out. The dipstick will be marked with a high line, a low line, and probably a crosshatch pattern in between those lines. Do not overfill the oil past the maximum mark. That's also bad for your engine. This is an important maintenance procedure no matter what vehicle you have, even a lawnmower. If your engine oil level is low, you're going to find your oil fill. Look for the little oil icon. It will probably be stamped or printed with a number. In this case, SAE 5W20. The SAE stands for Society of Automotive Engineers, in case you care. Boy, that's got to be a fun club to be in. 5W20. That is the viscosity of the oil, also referred to as the weight. Hey look, we happen to have some here. This is a high mileage vehicle. So we prefer to use high mileage oil because it contains special seal conditioners which help reduce the amount of leaks. Even brand new vehicles tend to burn some oil over the life of the car or truck. Older vehicles tend to not only burn oil, but also to leak it. So don't be alarmed if checking the oil you find it to be a little bit low. Remove the fill cap, pour some in. Don't pour too much. Recheck with the dipstick until the oil level is correct. This is the transmission fluid dipstick. We'll cover that in an upcoming video. You may want to use a funnel to avoid spilling. The brand of oil doesn't matter as much as long as you're using a quality name brand oil and it's filled to the proper level. Your engine will love you for it. Simple. Easy as that. Oh man, bird manure. I just washed this thing. Can't these pterodactyls unload somewhere else? You'd think I had a target painted on the thing. Hey guys and gals, Let's try that again. Outtakes.